right, let's be real. In 2025, everyone's talking about ChatGPT, but no one's telling you about these 5 next-level tools that are actually doing the heavy lifting behind the scenes. From turning meetings into notes while you're sipping coffee, to creating full-blown videos from plain text, these tools are wild. Stick around till the end, 'cause 3 literally made me question if I ever needed to hire a designer again. You've probably heard of Notion, but Notion AI? That's like Notion on performance-enhancing vitamins. This thing summarizes your notes, writes full blog drafts, generates to-do lists, even helps with code. It's your second brain, but one that doesn't get distracted by TikTok. It's like having that one overachieving friend who finishes your homework before you even realize it was due. And yeah, they did it better than you ever could. Let's say you had a messy meeting. Instead of sifting through messy bullet points, just tell Notion AI, "Hey, summarize this as action items." Boom! Done. Clean, professional, CEO vibes. You need a brand. You open Photoshop and close it 2 minutes later. Enter Looka, an AI-powered logo and branding tool that makes you look like you hired a designer from Behance, when in reality, it was just you in your pajamas at 2 a.m. It doesn't just make a logo. It builds you a whole brand kit. Colors, typography, mock-ups, business cards, social media banners, all tailored to your vibe. Whether you're launching a startup or just making a meme account for your dog, Looka's got your back. Test out 3-4 versions, tweak the colors, and watch your friends ask who your designer is. This one right here? Copy.ai. It's a game changer. Whether you're writing Instagram captions, product descriptions, or full-on email campaigns, this tool slaps. You know that one friend who always knows what to say in texts? Yeah, Copy.ai's that friend. But for business, marketing, and content creation, give it a simple input, like write a launch email for my AI course. And in 5 seconds, it's got a polished draft. No overthinking. No blinking cursor staring into your soul. It even gives you multiple tones. Want it professional, chill, slightly sassy? Copy.ai gets the vibe. Zoom calls. We've all sat through them, only to forget half the important stuff the second it ends. That's where Tacti.io steps in. This tool literally transcribes your meetings in real time and pulls out the juicy stuff. Action items, key quotes, decisions, automatically. It's the intern you never hired but always needed. Quiet, efficient, and actually writes everything down. Best part? It plugs into Google Meet, Zoom, and Teams. No awkward switching screens or tab juggling. So while others are furiously typing notes, you're just nodding like a productivity god. Okay, picture this. You write a blog, or a script, or even just a long text, and Pictory goes, cool. Want a video version of that? Give me a sec. Boom. Script becomes visuals, stock footage, subtitles, transitions, music. No editing required. It's like having a YouTube video editor who never sleeps, never misses deadlines, and doesn't ask for payment. Whether you're a content creator or just someone who hates editing, this tool turns long-form content into short, snackable videos for YouTube, LinkedIn, Reels, wherever your audience lives. Try feeding it old blog posts and repurpose them into content gold. You're sitting on a gold mine, trust me. So there you go, 5 AI productivity tools in 2025 that feel like cheating, but aren't. Honestly, it's not about working harder anymore. It's about working smarter with the right tech by your side. If any of these tools made your jaw drop, hit that like button. Want more no-fluff AI-powered hacks? Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. And hey, drop a comment below. Which tool blew your mind? Or what's one AI tool you swear by that nobody's talking about?
It's things greater than paper. Me one day with my maker. You feel say you be greater.